Welcome to Ilocano Math TV! Hello classmates! Balik school na naman tayo! Hi! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all. Welcome to our channel. I am Kenchi, your host for today's video. I'll be discussing these following lessons: Logic Mathematics, Pyramid, and Cipher Wheel. What is logic mathematics? Logic is the study of truth and how mathematical deduction can lead to universal truths. What is the importance of logic? Logic education fosters the development of critical thinking abilities. It is crucial to study logic to improve communication. How do we relate logic and mathematics? Logic is the very general theory of inference and reasoning. Logic and mathematics are sister disciplines. In mathematics, inference and reasoning are extremely important. Logic assists us in comprehending ambiguity and disagreement. Now let's move on to our next lesson. Pyramid is a polyhedron formed by joining a polygonal base to a point known as the apex. A lateral face is formed by the base edge and apex of each triangle. It has a polygonal base and is a conic solid. A pyramid has n plus 1 vertices, n plus 1 faces, and 2 n edges with an n-sided base. Square pyramid. A three-dimensional geometric shape having a square base and 4 triangular faces or sides that meet at a single point called vertex is called a square pyramid. Triangular pyramid is a polyhedron composed of 4 triangular faces, 6 straight edges, and 4 vertex corners. The tetrahedron is the simplest of all the ordinary convex polyhedra and the only one that has fewer than 5 faces. Polygonal pyramid is a pyramid with a pentagonal base upon which are erected 5 triangular faces that meet at a point, which is the apex. Circular pyramid or cone pyramid is not a pyramid. Wala lang. Now let's move on to our last lesson, Cipher Wheel. A cipher wheel is a tool used to create encrypted messages. Cipher disk. How do you use a cipher disk? It is very simple. Rotate the top disk so that keyword letter being used aligns with the letter A on the bottom disk, and the corresponding plain text and ciphertext letters are on the bottom and top disk. This alignment procedure is equivalent to shifting the rows down. What is a cipher disk? An enciphering and deciphering tool developed in 1470 by the Italian architect and author Leon Battista Alberti. He constructed a device consisting of 2 concentric circular plates mounted one on top of the other. What are cipher codes? A cipher is a system to make a word or a secret message by changing or rearranging the letters in the message. For example, A is equal to G or A is equal to N. Cryptology is the art and science of making and breaking codes. How does a cipher wheel work? For example, I have here a plain text or the message, "Attack at dawn." We will now find the index first. For example, the index that I'll be using is uppercase W and lowercase y. Given at the plain text is "Attack at dawn," which means you should find first the uppercase W and lowercase y, and then look for the lowercase letters that correspond to the uppercase letters above. After you find the lowercase letters that correspond to the uppercase letters above, you will have CVVCMCVFCYP. Now, you try it. I'll give you 10 seconds to find the encrypted message given on the screen. Well done! And the answer is, you got it! Now you can teach your family and friends how to use a cipher wheel to code messages. Enjoy coding! Till next time!